Welcome back guys to my channel Junior Mastermind. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then go ahead and click on the subscribe button and press the bell notification icon for latest updates. Today we will see how to make a simple program to generate the multiplication table of any number in C++. For that, I would like to open Dev C++ as my IDE, Integrated Development Environment. I will click File, New, Source File. File, Save As, and I'll save it as Multiplication Table Generator. Here first I'll include IOStream and I'll write using namespace std. Then I'll create one main function and I'll return 0. Then I will simply write cout, enter your number. It will be having some steps. It will have 3 steps. First step, to create some variables to store data. Second step, to get the input from the user and store the value in the variables. Third step, to make a loop and display. Okay, let's start with the first step. That is to make variables. I'll create some variables over here. Int number that we will get from a user. Then int I. I can create I over here too. Then I will say over here, which is a second step, enter your number, and we will just use endl for the new line. Then I'll use cin to take input, and a third step, to generate a loop and to print the multiplication table. Here I'll make a for loop which is used to display the multiplication table. Not only for loop, we can use while loop too, or do while loop. But in my case, I am using a for loop. I equals 0. We are initializing I as 0 and we'll say I will work till 10 from 0. And we are just adding one more to I. This is equal to I plus 1. You can see. Here I will say cout number multiplied by I equals number multiplied by I. And when I will run the program, you can see it says enter your number. If I write 10, you can see the table of 10 has been printed. Thank you for watching my video. Consider liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting. Thanks a lot.